If you needed a sign to start locks, this is it. This is the video for you.
Let's go. Move.
Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be going through some reasons why you should get locks. This is dedicated to all the people out there who want to start their locks but they contemplate and they waiting. Why is you contemplating? Why is you waiting? It's lit over here. You should join us. Just being honest. The first reason I have is probably the top reason. Is locks are so carefree. Like you can just get up in the morning, spray, put a oil on, and if it's already moisturized, you ain't gotta do that. Just shake, 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 and walk out the door. Like you don't have to sit around and think about, oh, what I'm gonna do to my hair. So that's a very freeing feeling, and it frees up your time to do other things as well. So yeah, they are free. Just wake up and go on by your business. Okay, so when I was a loose natural, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. If you watched my videos when I was a loose natural, you would know I used to have so many products. Like I used to be like a product junkie. I say buying products, but now my amount of hair products has decreased by probably 80%, honestly. So when you lock your hair, you're gonna be using less products. There's less hair products you have to buy, less products that you have to think of and haul out. Only thing you're gonna need is a good clarifying shampoo, maybe a moisturizing shampoo. Some people use conditioner. I don't use conditioner, but something to retwist your locks if you retwisting yourself. And water and oil, that's it. And really, honestly, you don't even need nothing to retwist your locks, because some people actually use water and oil to retwist their locks. I haven't tried that method yet, but I've seen some people on YouTube do it. So yeah, girl, guy, whoever, everything, you know, y'all listen. You're gonna have way less products. You're gonna spend way less money on hair products. I absolutely love it. So the main staples I make sure I keep is my oil and water, because shampoo and stuff usually lasts a pretty good while. So there's this. Lots of so less time consuming. This goes back to the freeing part, them being so free. But now I can get through my wash. I used to have to put a whole Saturday or off work day that I was off work or something to the side just to wash my hair and deal with my hair when I was loose natural. Now I don't really have to put a whole day to the side. I can get up early on a Saturday morning and wash my hair, especially if I'm not doing a retwist, because you know I retwist probably every 2 to 3 months. I get up, wash my hair, shake, 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 go on by my business. Now I'm getting to the point they don't dry as quick, so I'll go through with blow dryer. But if I dry my hair good enough with my t-shirt or whatever, then it doesn't take long at all. So very less time consuming, frees up time to do other things, and you don't have to detangle. When I was a loose natural, the main thing that took up the most time was me detangling my hair, and I hated it. That's one reason I went on ahead and locked my hair, because I got tired of detangling. So I went on ahead and got my locks. Now I don't have to detangle, and that pretty much cut a lot of time out of my wash day. So locks are they're less time consuming than a loose. Locks are versatile. People think sometimes they be like, oh, I want to get locks, that's what your hairstyle's like. But really with locks, they're pretty versatile. There's a lot of things you do. And then some people put wigs on their locks. I don't do that. Some people get braids over their locks. I haven't done that yet, and at this point I don't think I'm gonna do it. I really don't even feel like sitting down and getting braids done, even though I used to do my own braids. I don't feel like doing it. I don't, because I'm enjoying my locks so much until I just don't feel like dealing with it. But yes, get you some locks, save you some time on your daily routine. Seriously. The style, you can do so many different styles with them. I know I like trying different styles, but I'm pretty lazy with mine, to be honest. I don't really feel like doing all that. That's why I got locks. But there's a lot you can do with locks, and you can always switch things up. And also, locks really save you money in a sense, because you can maintain them yourself, and even if you're not maintaining yourself, you are going to a loctician, it's still not as expensive as having loose natural hair, to be honest. So yeah, y'all save yourself some money. But even you save money in so many different ways. You save money because you don't necessarily have to go to a loctician. You can maintain them yourself and save the coin. You can also you buying less products. So yeah, and it's pretty fun maintaining yourself, because you can say, wow, I did that, you know, this is all me. starting myself, maintaining myself. It's just a pat on the shoulder, so to speak, you know. Major thing is, a loc journey is a beautiful journey. You learn so much about yourself. It's just so amazing because, I don't know, it's just one of those things you have to feel on an individual level. But I can definitely say a loc journey truly is a journey. Like, things change. And sometimes you can look at your locs and see what stage you were at or how things were. Like, sometimes in my locs, like, especially my smaller ones, I can see during the one time I did, like, start palm rolling a little bit. And I'm like, wow, I was really doing that at one point. But seriously, y'all, a loc journey is just a beautiful journey. That's a pro within itself. When you have locs, your hair actually retains a lot of length. Like, it really does. Especially, you can see your length when you, on wash day, when you wash your hair, you can see your length. Y'all, it's so amazing. But look, y'all. Look at mine. See? Look at that. Retaining all that length. And I ain't even got to straighten my hair to see my length. I love it. So, my hair has been longer in my lifetime, like way longer than these. But I can say that since I've had locs, my length is being retained more since I'm not detangling my hair or doing anything to it. I'm just letting it do its thing, and every month I see my hair getting longer and I see my locs changing because I look at my pictures from last year, y'all. My hair was so much shorter than it is now, and I'm like, wow, I'm so glad I really embraced my journey and took a lot of pictures because I didn't even realize my hair was that short. I was just having a good old time. But this is it. Get locs if you just flat out sick of it. You sick of just waste of time on wash day, detangling your hair. Like, you just sick of it. Just sick of dealing with it. Sick of dealing with it. In conclusion, if you just sick of it, baby, go on get you some locs. And make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell so you can know every time me, your girl, uploads a new video. And if you're new here, just go and subscribe because you know you want to get some locs, baby. Just go ahead. I'm gonna holler at y'all later.